Hey guys, when you live in Canada and you come out in the morning, this is what you observe. Snowfall is still going on, as you can see, it's falling everywhere. So whenever you are in a severe snowstorm like this, it's always recommended to clean it multiple times, because if you just leave it for the last moment, it's not gonna work. So I'm gonna start working on it. First I'm gonna like this time the benefit I have like a electrical snow shovel, which will make my life easier than before. So I'm gonna first connect that and we'll take it up from there. So guys, the very first thing you should be aware is that in which direction you are gonna snow the through. So I'm gonna do it in this direction, okay, because there are certain prohibited areas where you cannot. And then keep your snow shovel ready, okay, as I have done. And now like you need to hold it both hand. You need to hold the handle here, but because it to now to show you for some time. Okay, not bad, right? Isn't it? No, it was not. See, within a few minutes, see, like I was able to clean all that. But yes, because snow is falling, so and snowstorm is still going on, so you'll see more snow falling into it. But yeah, the performance was really good. Like manual effort was reduced a lot. I still have to do in some areas, but yeah, in this way you can use a snow shovel to electric snow shovel, or you can say automated snow shovel, to clean the snow. Now after you do this, don't leave it like this, because there could be some ice formation later on. So what I would say, after the for like main layers are clear, add some salt, okay, so that ice formation can be controlled later on. Because again, this is not the end, this is just a preparation. Once the storm is over, I have to clean once more, or even maybe in middle, in between too. So once this area is done, add some salt on it, pour some specialized salt, so that later on when you come, things work in your favor. Okay, it will be easier to clean then. Okay, and remember, this kind of snow shovel can work only on snow, not on ice. In ice it will not be effective. Okay, so that's what you must be aware of. So thanks for watching this guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.